Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you will fine. I am drawing a video with number 5. This video is very amazing and easy to make. So watch the whole video. Viewer, I have something to say to you. I am a housewife. I have a son. I am migraine patient. I do all the housework. This is all too difficult. Still I make drawing video. That's why I request you, please visit my channel, see my videos and like and subscribe my channel, because your support is very important for my channel growth, and I need your help to able to earn money. So please I am only ask for like and subscribe from you in every video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.